The ultimate vegan ice cream recipe, creamy, delicious, and dairy-free. Welcome back, fast vegans. Today we're bringing you the ultimate vegan ice cream recipe. This rich and creamy treat is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth without any dairy or animal products. Plus, it's easy to make and requires just a few simple ingredients. Let's get started. First, let's look at the ingredients. 2 cans, 13.5 ounces each, full-fat coconut milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar or coconut sugar. 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk or any other plant-based milk. 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Optional add-ins include vegan chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh fruit, nuts. Instructions. Your first instruction is to be sure to like the video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's keep going. In a medium saucepan, combine the coconut milk, sugar, and almond milk. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar has dissolved completely. This should take about 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture cool to room temperature. Once cooled, cover the saucepan and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. The mixture should be thoroughly chilled before moving on to the next step. Once the mixture is chilled, pour it into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. During the last few minutes of churning, add your desired optional add-ins, such as vegan chocolate chips, crushed cookies, fresh fruit, or nuts. Be sure to evenly distribute the add-ins throughout the ice cream. Transfer the churned ice cream to a lidded freezer-safe container. Smooth the top with a spatula, cover, and freeze for at least 4 hours or until the ice cream reaches your desired consistency. When you're ready to enjoy your vegan ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes before scooping and serving. This will make it easier to scoop and ensure the perfect texture. Now you have the ultimate vegan ice cream recipe that's creamy, delicious, and completely dairy-free. Don't be afraid to get creative with your add-ins to create your perfect flavor combination. Enjoy!